Honourable Minister for Home Affairs and Immigration, Honourable Pio Tikudondua.
Thank you, Honourable Speaker, and I thank the Honourable Member for his question. Honourable Speaker, the question essentially centred around Section 8 of the Minor Offences Act 1971 and how we could use that to deal with loitering on our streets by our young street dwellers. This section of the Act is designed to address situations where individuals, including teenagers, are found loitering near premises or in public places under circumstances that suggest illegal activity or prostitution. While it is essential to enforce this law, Honourable Speaker, we must do so within the framework of the Restore Blue concept, which we are now endeavouring to use, which emphasizes community-oriented policing accountability and rehabilitation. Now, Honourable Speaker, Section 8 of the Minor Act 1971 provides law enforcement authorities with the legal means to address these issues. However, our approach to enforcing this section is guided by several key principles, and I just want to talk through them very briefly. One is about community engagement, which is building strong ties between our police force and the local communities is crucial. We encourage residents to report incidents and concerns, which allows the police to work collaboratively with the community to identify and address issues. Secondly is what we call the youth-centered approach. When dealing with teenagers involved in loitering or potentially illegal activities, we take a youth-centered approach. This means understanding their unique circumstances, offering guidance, and exploring alternatives to punitive measures whenever possible. 3, mental health and support services, recognizing that some of these teenagers may be facing underlying mental health challenges. We are working to ensure that mental health services are available to them and accessible to those in need, and early intervention and support are central to this strategy. 4th, rehabilitation and reintegration. Our primary goal here is not simply to punish, but to rehabilitate and reintegrate these teenagers into society as responsible and productive citizens, Honourable Speaker. We aim to provide them with educational, vocational, recreational opportunities to redirect their lives positively. And 5th is about collaborative efforts. Collaboration with relevant government agencies, non-governmental organizations and community groups is fundamental to this approach. By pooling resources and expertise, we can address the complex issues surrounding teenagers involved in such activities more effectively. So, Honourable Speaker, while enforcing this section, as the question suggests, of the Minor Offences Act 1971 as being part of our strategy, but the focus actually goes beyond punitive measures. In the past, the police, essentially what they would do when the boats come around, they send a whole bunch of police officers together, these kids take them away until the boat leaves, and then they, obviously they find their way back to town. But the whole idea here is to involve the community, and that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to create a society where police officers work closely with the community so that they can restore safety and hope to the lives of these troubled teenagers. Now, ultimately, with the hope to breaking the cycle of negative behaviors and offering them a brighter future. Thank you, Honourable Speaker.